scrolling through Facebook, maybe in a Facebook group, maybe on your timeline, and you see something that interests you, and then you get distracted and you close Facebook or you go somewhere else and you can't find the thing you were looking for. Well, if that has happened to you, then I would wager a bet that it's also happened to your potential clients and customers for your business. And today in this video, I am going to give you a solution to that problem, and it's going to be how to create Facebook events. Hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Lindsay Sewell, and I help busy entrepreneurs to create more time, freedom, and leverage in your business using simple online strategies that help you attract your ideal clients and customers. And one of the favorite tools that I have on Facebook is using Facebook events. Why are Facebook events so powerful? Well, we're going to talk about that today, and then I'm going to show you how to set up your very first Facebook event. So one of the reasons that Facebook events are so powerful is that when someone is scrolling and something catches their eye or they're interested, they can immediately click and respond that they want to go or they're interested in the event, even if it's happening way far in the future. What does that do for you? Well, it allows you to leverage Facebook to remind your ideal clients and customers that your event is coming up, even if it's a week away, a day away, or even a month in the future. So it gives you a way to not only remind people of something that they said they wanted exposure to and they had an interest in, but it also gives you a way to invite a large number of people all at once on social media without having to do this one by one by one. So let's head over to my Facebook, and I'm going to show you how to create your very first Facebook event. So for today's video, I'm first going to show you how to create a Facebook event inside of a Facebook group. The reason for this is because I feel that Facebook groups are a great way for you to create a community online where you can talk to your ideal clients and customers and business partners over and over and over again, deliver a massive amount of value, and create that wonderful community that makes people want to come back for more. So inside of my Facebook group, Online Marketing Made Fun, I have lots of information stored in the guides tabs, posting in the timelines, but I also create events when there are things that I want people to be notified about inside the group, as well as outside of the group that I want them to register for. Maybe an opportunity call, an online webinar, a training seminar, a social summit, whatever it is, I'm able to create that event inside my group, deliver that information to my clients, my customers, and my potential business partners and community, and let the people that are interested in that event see what is on offer and click so that they're notified when it comes time for the event. So if you're not already a member of my Facebook group, Online Marketing Made Fun, I'll go ahead and drop that link below so that you can join us and check out everything in action. So inside of the group, we're going to head over to the More tab and click the Events button. Here's where you have an opportunity to create your brand new event. Now, if you're maybe a real estate agent or you do a lot of in-person selling, you can create an in-person event and invite that entire group to, or you can create an online event. So we're going to create an online event. And for this event, I'm going to choose a general event type, and I am going to name this Social Media Sales Summit. So let's say that I have a social media sales summit coming up for my audience in the future, next month, April the 11th. You select your start time, which we can choose 2 p.m. And then I'm going to choose my end time, same time that day, 3 p.m. Now, this is going to show me that this event is only going to be published for my group, Online Marketing Made Fun, which is fine because I'm going to show you after this how you can do the exact same thing on your profile to broaden your reach. So as we go to the next section of creating the event, you can either choose to host it in a messenger room, on Facebook Live, or an external link, or you can give people instructions. For the purpose of this event, I am going to pretend that I'm sending them to an otherwise off Facebook link to register for this sales event. So I would type in here the description. This is where you need need to go to register for the summit. And for the purpose of this video, I am simply going to put in my website address. So here's where you could give your audience and anybody who clicks interested or going to the event a very detailed description of how they can actually register or attend the event. Now, on the next page, you have the opportunity to use the default image from your cover photo of your Facebook group. You can use one of Facebook's images, or if you click the trash button, you can upload a cover photo right here. So I'm not going to do that at this time. For the sake of this video, choose this Facebook image, and then I am going to create the event. Now, this is going to actually create this event inside of my group, which is probably going to be a little confusing for them, but you can always go back and edit or delete the event if you've made a mistake. So for in this case, now this event is posted inside of my Facebook group. All of the details are right here in the description. And to keep people interested and engaged after they click that they want to come to the event, you can add posts leading up to your actual event date. So you can get a conversation going with your audience right inside of this event. Now, if I wanted to invite people to my event, I actually have the opportunity to invite 500 of my Facebook group members all at once. This is why I was telling you it's a great way to be able to invite tons of people from your group with the click of one button, and you don't have to do it individually. So I could select all 500 of group members. So I have over 1,000 members in this group, but it is going to select 500 of them. And I would simply click send invites, and all of those people would be invited to my group. Not going to do that in this video because this isn't a real event. So if I decide that something goes wrong, I can't host the event, or I want to change the event, I can simply cancel this event. And I'm going to choose to delete this event so that my group is not confused. But if you needed to change the event or you needed to delete an event, that's where you would do that inside your group. So voila. Now you have an event set up. People can click that they for sure are going, or maybe, or that they're interested. And Facebook is going to do the work on your behalf to notify them that the event is happening in the future. So they don't have to worry about where they saw this information, finding it again and following up. And you're going to be able to capture more sales from the people who come to your event because they're getting these reminders. Now, I know your next question is going to be, but Lindsay, what if I don't have a Facebook group yet? Well, the beautiful thing is that you can simply head over to your profile and type events into the Facebook search bar. Once you do this, you are able to click on the Facebook shortcuts for events, and you can create a new event right from your profile. So you can see that you can also discover events on Facebook. So if you're creating public events from either your business page or your personal profile, there is a chance that you're going to reach an even broader audience that discovers you for seeking for an event related to the topics that you specialize in. So again, you would go through and create that event similarly to the way that I showed you inside the group. So I hope this video was valuable to you today, and I hope to see you start using Facebook events in your business. If you've been successfully using them, or you just tried it for the first time and it worked like a charm, please go ahead and comment below. I would love to hear about your results and celebrate your success, and I will see you in the next video.